The mission of RVP with the Coleman-Mach product is to build a quality product that is user-friendly at a competitive price.
It's not entirely about cost. It's entirely about a quality product, a delivered product that will go out and support the consumer. When you know that you carry that Coleman name on that product, and it's recognized worldwide, and it is recognized for quality. So it's very important that we maintain that, and we want to incorporate that in our company.
We definitely want to give you the best product that's going to last a long time. The manufacturing is done here in the United States. The engineering is in the United States. You have quality in the United States. That is a huge benefit. We have a quality inspector that his job is just to roam the floor and look for errors.
I'm constantly running around the factory, taking care of any problem that may arise with the production. You have to know the products, you have to know the people in order to keep your quality up. To me, that's something that's very critical. I make sure that anything that goes out the door, it'd be something I would want to buy.
In 2010, we started Brazier Academy. It's about 2 days worth of training. Our brazers go through a instruction book, and then they do on-the-job training with our head of quality. Since then, we've seen an 80% reduction in our brazing failures. It's been a great success. Another thing we have pushed for is we want to go to a paperless system. Everything is all digital within the manufacturing process. It's recorded at different stations. We get real-time information on what's going on to see if a trend develops. If you can capture a failure in the manufacturing process, you can eliminate it pretty quickly. We do burst tests, we do leak tests, we do run tests. We try to automate as much as possible. It allows us to look at the products, find the deficiencies, solve the problem, and provide a better product.
Everything that's shipped out, we overpack it, we check it for leaks one last time. Our leak checker can sense 1/4 ounce per year. We'll do anything to make sure that there is no damage.
We turn our inventory here 14 times a year, and I think that's pretty admirable. I think that the normal inventory turns are about anywhere from 9 to 11. So by turning the inventory 14 times a year, it's very, very important that we have a clear line of communication with suppliers about what's expected from them. We not only ask for quality, but we demand quality. Our ultimate goal is to make sure for the consumer that they're getting a very good product from this company, and we are extremely loyal to that.
We take a lot of pride in the fact that we care. We want the customer to have a good experience. We want the customer to say, hey, you ought to buy Coleman. You know, I may have had a problem with my unit, but they took care of it right away, and they handled it well.
I think it's always been the mission of RV Products with the Coleman-Mach brand to offer great value. And that value starts here in the plant with the product being built correctly. And I think one of the things that RV Products does a great job at is making products that meet the application but don't go too far in sophistication that might cause problems with serviceability down the road or even user problems in how do I work this thing. One of the comments that we get all the time about our digital controls is you've made the displays large enough that I can read them. Well, let's face it, some of our customers are like me. They're visually challenged. Big numbers are better than small numbers. So we took that approach on controls and we made the displays bigger and easier to read for our customers.
We have a lot of longevity here, which is great. And for us newbies, which I consider myself a newbie still, being here 7 years, it's very nice.
I've always loved the company and absolutely have been happy with my job.
I enjoy the work. It's fast-paced.
I love my job. I like the people that I work with. It is a lot of fun to work at RV Products at Excel.
Mr. Coleman always said no product is really sold until it's delivering satisfactory service to the consumer. And we have that philosophy today. We've got a long history here in Wichita. I'm very proud to be the only RV air conditioner that's built in the United States today.